Which of the following is the capital city of Belarus? Baku, Manama, Bridgetown, Minsk. The correct answer is Minsk. The Conqueror is the nickname for which famous figure? William I, Napoleon Bonaparte, Julius Caesar, Saladin. The correct answer is William I. How do you say hello in Turkish? Ola, Mahaba, Bonjour, Konnichiwa. The correct answer is Mahaba. Who was the Anglo-Saxon king who successfully defended England against Viking invasions? Alfred the Great, Edward the Confessor, Harold Godwin's son, Edel the Unready. The correct answer is Alfred the Great. Basenji dogs are an ancient breed believed to have originated in Egypt, China, Greece, Mexico. The correct answer is Egypt. The Carthaginian general who sought revenge against Rome during the Third Punic War was Hannibal, Scipio Africanus, Hasdrubal. May go. The correct answer is Hasdrubal. Who painted The Persistence of Memory? Claude Monet, Salvador Dali, Edvard Munch, Vincent van Gogh. The correct answer is Salvador Dali. What gives galaxies their different shapes? The presence of dark matter, the movement of stars within the galaxy, the interaction with neighboring galaxies, the rotation of the galaxy. The correct answer is the movement of stars within the galaxy. The Byzantine Empire was a major center of which religion? Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Judaism. The correct answer is Christianity. What is the scientific name for the dingo? Canis lupus, Canis familiaris, Canis dingo, Canis rex. The correct answer is Canis dingo. Who was the King of England during the American Revolution? King Henry VIII, King Charles II, King George III, King James I. The correct answer is King George III. Which ancient Greek city is known as the birthplace of democracy? Sparta, Delphi, Athens, Corinth. The correct answer is Athens. A person who sees the world through rose-colored glasses is usually what kind of thinker? Pessimistic, optimistic, realistic, cynical. The correct answer is optimistic. Which form of energy do we obtain from the food we eat? Thermal energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy. The correct answer is chemical energy. Which of the following is not considered a state of matter? Solid, liquid, gas, energy. The correct answer is energy.